talk about this story of insulin is very interesting. So what happened was, in the beginning, most of them pancreas were one of the organs which we have learned about it and its function in digestive system. Okay, so this pancreas, till the Dr. I. Langerhans did not study कि उसका function क्या है, वो अंदर body में हमारे क्यों है. So how did he found out its function? Let us see. Latin, as I told you, most of this, because Greeks and Latins were the first people who have discovered or invented many scientific facts from the nature, body, outside the world. So Greeks and Latins were the people, and the libraries were burned हमारे को उनके पास से. फिर भी there are so much that we can reveal and get from there. So Latin word में insula का meaning है island. Okay, island, you know that a body that is covered, a land that is covered from all the sides by a water, that is called an island. So insula, उसको Latin में island को insula बोलते हैं. तो 18th century 68 में Paul Langerhans, he was a German scientist, and वो pancreas का structure of pancreas, वो कैसा दिखता है दिखने में, he started studying, and he got interested in knowing about the different facts about pancreas that is present in the body. Can anybody tell me where is pancreas situated in our body? Where do you find pancreas?
Ma'am, behind stomach in the upper left abdomen.
Yes, very good. So in the digestive system, you find it in the abdomen, just below your liver, and the pancreatic ducts are attached to the intestines. Very good. So you have already seen it where it is present. लेकिन वो pancreas दिखता कैसा है? और इसके ये islets of Langerhans जो है, इसके specialized cells, they are richly supplied with blood vessels. उसको बहुत सारे blood vessels है that is supplying blood to it. So let us see how it looks like. You can see in this picture how you can see these beautiful islets of Langerhans, how these cells are so beautifully structured. This made Dr. Langerhans interested to know कि ये कैसा है pancreas, इसके cells जो they are so beautiful, इसका असल function क्या है. So what he did, he wanted to know कि इसमें जो, because you can just see the different pink color of it because of a rich blood supply. लेकिन किसी को ये दिखने में तो it was very beautiful, लेकिन इसका काम क्या है, क्या function करता है ये pancreas, nobody was knowing. So many people, they were interested, there were many scientists in those days. So to know what will happen, what they did is, वो एक animal को, any of the mammal, you all know what are mammals, isn't it? Those are the hairy structures, and many of the functions, body functions of the mammals are same like us. अब हमारी body में जो digestive system है, coordination system, circulatory system, all these systems, how they are working in human body, mammalians में भी वैसे ही work करता है. So now we cannot experiment. हम एक human being का pancreas निकाल के उसके ऊपर तो we cannot take a risk and do the experimentation. So we human being are of course cruel organisms. तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We are testing them on mammalians, other mammalians, like rat पे करेंगे test, या horse पे, camel पे, any mammalian that is there. So what this scientist did is, जब उसका एक mammalians में से pancreas निकाल दिए बाहर, so they found that कि this animal has got a disease, उसको एक बीमारी हो गई, और उसका नाम क्या रखे? शुगर हो गई. हम लोग बोलते ना किसी को शुगर हो गई है, और and the scientific name is diabetes. So that patient started, वो animal को diabetes हो गया. Are you all able to understand me? If yes, give me a thumbs up so that I can proceed
Yes,
further.
ma'am.
So you all can hear and understand. Okay. So then you know what he did? Then he understood कि हाँ blood glucose level वो animal का बढ़ जा रहा था. उसके blood में जितना sugar level रहता था, that sugar level was increasing. So there are वो he came to know कि you know एक diabetes ऐसा condition है जिसमें blood और urine में sugar level एकदम high हो जाता है. Nowadays, so we have got so many glucometer and all this to test the level of sugars in the blood and in the urine. So they found that there is a duct inside. एक pancreas में से एक duct रहता, वो duct क्या कर रहा है? उससे insulin intestine में जा रहा है. तो जहाँ पर जैसे ग्लूकोज लेवल बढ़ रहा है तो दिस इंसुलिन इज मेंटेनिंग. वो हमारे ब्लड में 120 फास्टिंग शुगर 200 से ज्यादा अगर शुगर लेवल बढ़ गया तो वी विल हैव ऑल टाइप ऑफ डिसीजेस और अबनॉर्मैलिटीज बॉडी में शुरू हो जाएंगे. तो दिस इंसुलिन टेक्स केयर ऑफ इट. इट विल नॉट अलाउ द ब्लड शुगर लेवल टू इंक्रीज मोर देन random. It is 180. There are levels. Fasting sugar should be 120, random should be 180, and if it is more than 200 in the blood, then the health issues starts. So, lekin they were not knowing. Just now we have seen the beautiful structures, the islets of Langerhans. They were not knowing कि ये islets of Langerhans का actual function क्या है. So, what did they do? You know, they thought that these animals, they wanted to know how is it linked with islets of Langerhans. So this entire pancreas were made of a single cell, and that cell was beautifully, and it has got so much of the blood supply. We have seen its structure also, and it is made up of that. So what is the function of each cell? So the scientists started studying. There were so many scientists at that time who became interested in knowing. But Dr. Langerhans was the one who has found out, done the complete research and gave us. Till now, we are following the one which we are following about this structure and insulin and everything about the pancreas is discovered by Dr. Langerhans in 1868. Like by 1912, what happened? They were convinced, everybody started realizing that islets, every cell, that is the islets of Langerhans is the name of the cell that is present in the pancreas is made up of, and this cell has got some secretion. वो secretion जो blood में liberate हो रहा है, it's getting liberated into the blood. So they wanted to know कि ये क्या चीज है जो blood के अंदर release कर रहा है ये cell. So 10 years later in Toronto, Toronto is in which part of the world? So anybody knows Toronto किधर है? Nobody knows where is Toronto. Social studies, maybe you are not concentrating.
Is it in Africa?
Is it in South Africa, Toronto? No. Where is Toronto? Repeat the answer. Yes, where is Toronto? It's in Canada. Very good.
In Canada.
So, you know, 10 years later, Toronto में Bunting, Best and MacLeod. Finally, these two scientists successfully succeeded in extracting insulin from degenerated animal pancreas, whose ducts to the intestines has been tied. तो क्या करे वो लोग एक intestines के एक human being के intestines से एक degenerated animal का pancreas लेके उसको उन लोग कनेक्ट कर दिए ताकि इसमें से ये एनिमल के जिसके पैंक्रियास फेल हो जा रहे ह्यूमन बीइंग, दे वर बिकमिंग डायबिटिक, तो उनको कैसे उनके इंटेस्टाइन में इंसुलिन डाला जा सकता है. सो व्हाट दे डिड इज उसका एक एनिमल का पैंक्रियास लेके उसके इंटेस्टाइनल डक्ट पे लगा दिए. तो So they have, when they test that person's sugar level, उनका sugar level normal हो जा रहा था. So then they understood कि ये cells जो secrete करते हैं, it is called as insulin, उसका नाम insulin दिए, and that controls the blood sugar level. So from that time, the insulin injection for diabetic patients were invented, और diabetic patients को पेट में intestines के पास ही वो injection लेना पड़ता है, so that you know this insulin, अगर उनके pancreas are not functioning, then this insulin enters into their intestines and maintains the blood sugar level. So that is how the scientists work, and they have brought a great relief to the health of the people. Otherwise पहले diabetes का कोई treatment नहीं था, लोगों को बहुत सारे बीमारियां diabetic connected diseases होके वो लोग मर जाते थे. Now 10 years later, again, you know, then in this lab it has been done, and then you know what they did, this insulin jo produce ho raha hai, human insulin, it is now used for the treatment of diabetes through the injections. It is inserted in the body of the, you can see how this man is taking insulin in his stomach, unke intestines ke paas he is injecting. Can you all see the picture? How is he injecting insulin in his body? दिखाई दे रहा है सबको?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is how, you know, when insulin enters into the intestines, it maintains the blood sugar level. So now, ऐसे ही जैसे insulin, we call insulin as a hormone. ऐसे हमारे body में insulin जैसे और कई हार्मोन्स है, those chemical hormones that helps in coordination. We were talking about the reflex action, we were talking about the efferent and associate nerves that contributes for the coordination of orders to carry on between the brain and the body. उसमें हमारे और एक glands भी है, that is also helping. They secrete, जैसे insulin is a hormone, ऐसे हमारे body में कई glands है, they secrete a sort of hormones that helps in maintaining the different levels, you know, thyroid level आपका and you know testosterone level, pituitary gland also secretes a hormone, thymus gland secretes. So all these secretions again help in that is secreted directly into the bloodstream, and they helps in maintaining the different levels. That is very important. आपकी body में वो levels को maintain होना जरूरी है. अगर वो कुछ भी ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है तो then you start feeling कि you have got some health issues. So let's see how it is functioning. So in 1905, English physiologist, his name was Sterling, and he has coined the term as hormones to this glands. ये glands में से जो secretions निकलते उसका नाम उन्होंने hormones दिए, and they are ductless. इसमें कोई जैसे कि pancreas, insulin is secreted from the pancreas through a pancreatic duct. लेकिन दूसरे जो glands है जैसे pituitary है, thyroid है, hypothalamus है, इनको कोई ducts नहीं है. They don't have tube-like structure that is carried. It is directly secreted into the blood. So we even call them as a ductless glands. Are you all clear up to here? You want me to proceed further, or you have any questions for before I start further?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes means you are clear, or you have questions?
Want to ask few questions.
Please.
What is insulin?
I told you insulin is a secretion जो pancreas में से एक secretion निकल रहा है. एक what do you call a juice है, pancreatic juice. जैसे आपका juice रहता है ना, वैसा इंसुलिन में से वो जो वो आपके पैंक्रियास में से जो जूस निकलता, हमने उसका नाम इंसुलिन दिया है. I mean, the scientists have called it as insulin. तो इंसुलिन का काम क्या है? It maintains the blood sugar level in our body. हमारी blood में हाँ, I mean different times आपके levels, जैसे early morning 120 से ज्यादा शुगर नहीं रहना चाहिए ब्लड में, आफ्टरनून रैंडम 180 से ज्यादा नहीं रहना चाहिए, पोस्ट लंच 200 से ज्यादा नहीं रहना चाहिए। तो इसको मेंटेन कौन करता है? इंसुलिन। इंसुलिन इज वन ऑफ द juice that is secreted by the pancreas that maintains the blood sugar level. Is it clear now, Ramsha?
Yes.
Okay, and what is the other? You said you have got few questions. What is the other question?
What that story of insulin?
That is what story of insulin. I have told you how islets of Langerhans, you know, Dr. Langerhans, what did he do? उनको मालूम करना था. He was very curious to know कि ये जो islet of Langerhans were the names of the cells that makes the pancreas. As I told you, a group of cells having same functions form a tissue, and the group of tissues having same functions form an organ. So a group of islets of Langerhans have made, these are the name of the cells जो pancreas में है, and they're very beautiful, which has got a full supply of blood, pinkish in color. So ये beautiful cells together made this pancreas. So islets of Langerhans was, Dr. Langerhans became very much interested in knowing कि ये cells का function क्या है. तो उसको मालूम करने के लिए what he did, he took some animals. You have seen so many animals like zebra, horse. एक mammal को उन्होंने ले लिए, लेके उसके body में से उन्होंने वो बस निकाल दिए. क्या निकाल दिए? पैंक्रियास ही है, उनका पैंक्रियास कट कर दिए, एंड आफ्टर द पैंक्रियास वाज रिमूव्ड फ्रॉम द बॉडी ऑफ द एनिमल, he tested his blood लेवल. तो उसको मालूम, उनको पता चला कि वहां पर उनके ब्लड का शुगर लेवल बढ़ गया. तो then Dr. Langerhans understood कि अगर किसी इंसान में, ह्यूमन बीइंग में ब्लड शुगर लेवल बढ़ रहा है, दैट मींस ये आइलेट्स ऑफ लैंगरहैंस से जो इंसुलिन सीक्रेट हो रहा है वो इंसान के अंदर सीक्रेट नहीं हो रहा है. तो उसको टेस्ट करने के लिए व्हाट ही डिड, वो एक मरे हुए एनिमल का पैंक्रियास लेके एक ह्यूमन बीइंग के इंटेस्टाइन में, जैसे पैंक्रियाटिक डक्ट इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर कैसे सीक्रेट कर रहा है, वहां पर लगा दिए. वो जब लगा दिए तो ही हैज सीन दैट वो एक एनिमल के अंदर भी, वो एक जानवर में, एक ज़ीब्रा के अंदर भी जो सीक्रेशन हो रहा है, वो सीक्रेशन इवन इंसान को, अपने ह्यूमन बीइंग के भी ब्लड शुगर को कंट्रोल करने में हेल्प कर रहा है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम पिग्स के पैंक्रियाटिक जूस को यूज किया जाता है इन ह्यूमन बीइंग्स टू कंट्रोल द ब्लड शुगर लेवल. तो वो इंसुलिन वहां से, वो एनिमल के पास से एक्सट्रैक्ट करके वी स्टार्टेड इंजेक्टिंग इट. अभी हम लोगों ने पिक्चर में देखा कि हाउ इंसुलिन इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू द एब्डोमेन नियर द इंटेस्टाइन ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. तो किसी के अगर पैंक्रियास फेल हो गए बॉडी में, तो बाहर से एनिमल एक्सट्रैक्ट्स, हम लोग एनिमल्स के पास से जो इंसुलिन निकाल रहे हैं, दैट इज सेव्ड इनटू एन इंजेक्शंस एंड दैट इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू द बॉडी ऑफ अ ह्यूमन बीइंग. दैट इज हाउ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ डायबिटीज, शुगर लेवल जिसका भी बढ़ जा रहा था, उसके ट्रीटमेंट के लिए डॉक्टर लैंगरहैंस हैज डन दिस. सो द होल स्टोरी इज कैसा डायबिटीज का ट्रीटमेंट आया. So कैसा हम लोगों को मालूम हुआ कि इंसुलिन is responsible for maintaining the blood sugar level. So is it clear now?
Yes.
Ramsha, is it clear completely?
Yes.
Okay, and any other questions? Anybody has got any questions? Others, if you have no questions, everybody understood, give me a thumbs up so that I can proceed further. Ashaz, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So can I proceed? So then similarly, एक ductless जैसे pancreas का मालूम हुआ, then the scientists become more, Toronto में we have seen 2 scientists who have found out कि there are so many ductless glands in our body, जो directly उसको कोई duct नहीं है जहां से जाना है, without ducts it's directly some secretions हमारी body के अंदर हो रहे हैं, and that is maintaining the different levels of our blood in our बॉडी. हमारी बॉडी ब्लड के अंदर जो जो भी लेवल्स है, मैग्नीशियम लेवल, सोडियम लेवल, पोटेशियम लेवल्स, thyroxine, whatever it is there in the blood, it has to have some minimum and maximum ratio. उसके अंदर उसको maintain होना है. अगर वो कम या ज्यादा होता है तो then we start feeling some differences in our body. So he started observing them, and he has found that there are so many ductless glands that are present in our body. And then what he did is these glands that are secreting hormones were termed as ductless glands because उनको कोई duct नहीं था. बिना किसी duct के directly, duct बोले तो pipeline like, कोई pipe नहीं है वो gland को, वो directly it is secreting, उनकी cells जो है blood stream में ही वो juices release कर दे रहे हैं. And since then it passed direct into it, and they were named as hormones. So अब in this way we have got different form of glands such as liver, pancreas, which pass ducts. लेकिन liver and pancreas के जो juices रहते हैं वो ducts के through जाते हैं. लेकिन there are other hormones also that are secreted directly into our blood, like testicles, pancreas, adrenal gland, thymus gland, pituitary gland. So if you look at the rate of the heartbeat increases, the breathing rate will be faster, and blood pressure increases. The hair on the body become erect, and we get goosebumps. Don't you? When you're scared of something, एकदम all of a sudden you come to know about it. तो आपका goosebumps, आपके hair कैसे एकदम erect हो जाते हैं. You call it goosebumps. Okay? So ये सब किस वजह से हो रहा है आपकी body में? Because of the secretions of these hormones. You have got a fight or flight hormone called adrenaline gland, जो एकदम कभी आप डर जाते हैं, जैसे डर रहे हैं, डर फैक्टर कैसा आ रहा है आपके को फील हो रहा, because of the secretion of adrenaline in your body. So you feel scared. जैसे ही आप डर जाते हैं, you can see that you get goosebumps. Goosebumps are nothing but your hair gets erect. And your pupil will be dilated. Pupil वो तो आंख आप देखते एकदम आंख आपके खुल जाते, बड़े बड़े होके डायलेट हो जाते, और आपकी स्किन भी बहुत सेंसिटिव हो जाती है, और रेयरली ब्लैडर एंड रेक्टम में भी एम्प्टीड. और बहुत ज्यादा डर हो रहा था, immediately you run to the washroom, either you urinate or you even pass on the fecal matter. Why it happens when you are very much scared of something. जब भी आप डर जाते हैं so this happens, and all this is happening because of the release of these hormones in our blood. Is it clear to everybody? Can I proceed further, or if you have got any doubts in it, please get them clarified. Is it clear? Or anyone of you have doubts?
Pupil dilation.
Pardon?
Pupil dilation.
प्यूपिल बोल तो आंख के अंदर, अपनी आंख है ना, आंख में जो वो है अपना प्यूपिल है. You have got black and white this thing no inside eyeballs. eyeball के अंदर जो है ना, that is called as a pupil. तो वो एकदम खुल फैल जाता. आप कुछ डर गए किसी चीज से तो you can look into the eyes of that person जो डरा हुआ है, उसकी आंख कैसे हो जाती है, उसका एकदम प्यूपिल डायलेट हो जाता है, एकदम बड़ा हो जाती है उसकी आंख.
बड़ा. Okay.
Okay. So this is how this is all because of the hormones, secretion of the hormones in your blood. So now let us see what do you mean by understand by feedback mechanism. ये feedback mechanism क्या होता है हमारी body में? ये कैसे ये हार्मोन्स हमारे पास सीक्रेट कैसे हो रहे हैं? if you see the amount of adrenaline hormone, where is the adrenal gland situated? We have already learned about this in the previous chapter. Can anybody tell me where do you find the adrenal gland? In which part of your body? Which organ do you find adrenal gland? Yes. Come on, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, in kidney.
Very good. It is situated above the kidney. Very good. In the picture also you can see
On
the-
top of the
on
both
the
kidneys.
yes, on the top of both the kidneys, you will see this adrenal gland. It is yellow in color. You have already studied about it in the excretory system. So, ये adrenal gland जो है ना, that this secretes a hormone called adrenaline. तो ये adrenaline क्या करता है? हमारे को डराने के situation में काम आता है. कभी कोई situation पे what happened today, as yesterday I have explained you how the reflex action, like कहीं पर आपका हाथ पैर या हाथ किसी harmful sharp edge पे पड़ गया, तो immediately you remove your hand, and this is all because the brain is giving you the instructions to do so and you do that. वैसे ही एड्रिनल ग्लैंड, आप डरते कैसा? जब तक आप कोई चीज देखेंगे, देख के आपको डर जब तक नहीं होगा, जब तक एड्रिनालिन इज नॉट सीक्रेटेड इनटू योर ब्लड. तो ये एड्रिनल ग्लैंड विल सीक्रेट, जिसकी वजह से या कोई चीज पे आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है, इमीडिएटली यू बिकम वेरी एंग्री. तो ये सब चीजें, या आप किसी चीज से डर जाते हैं, इट ऑल सर्टेन टाइम्स यू बिकम वेरी हैप्पी, छोटी सी चीज से यू बिकम वेरी एक्साइटेड. तो ये सारे एक्टिविटीज आपकी बॉडी में कहाँ से हो रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ द सीक्रेशन ऑफ adrenaline from the adrenal gland. So we have got only 1 minute, pata nahi when it stops, so we will be continuing from here. Take a picture of it, please draw this picture, go through it thoroughly well and post this picture in the WhatsApp group, and we'll continue from here in day after tomorrow's class. Tomorrow there won't be a class, as I told you. I'll be going to for a paper presentation to Shaheen College in Bidar, and I'll share the link. You can see my presentation live from here, sitting at your home also. So tomorrow there is no class, but we'll go through it on Fridays. In Friday's class, hum yahan se lenge. So click down the picture of this and please post it in the WhatsApp group.
Okay. Ma'am, Friday also